Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 14.1 from NCERT textbook of our chapter number 14 Statistics of class 10 Math. Okay. So let's begin exercise 14.1 with question number 1. Okay. So the first question of exercise 14.1 is a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plant per houses. Okay, and the data is given in grouped form, and we have asked which method did you use to find the mean and why. Okay, so the data is given. This is question number first. Data is given. This is given number of plants. Number of plants. Okay. Number of houses given. Number of houses. Okay, the number of plants given to us in interval form 0 to 2 plants. One house. Next 2 to 4 plants. The number of houses 2. 4 to 6, and next 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. Okay, and 12 to 14. Next 12 to 14. And number of houses is given 1 2 1 5 1 2 1 5 1 2 1 5 6 2 3 6 2 3. Okay, so this is our data is given us. The data is given us in the question, and find the mean of the given data, and also ask which method you use to find the mean. Okay. Okay. So dear children, in order to find the mean value of the given data, so we will use direct method. Okay, because the value of each fi and xi is small, very small. Okay, the value of xi and fi is very small. This is the number of houses, means this is frequency, means fi. Okay, fi and xi means now we will find here. We find to mid value is xi, we get very small. So in order to find mean of the given data, we will use direct method. Okay. So now in order to find its mid value, okay, to find mid value by using the formula, mid value by using the formula, mid value by using formula xi equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay, by using this formula we will find the mid value of the given data. Okay, now find the mid value means xi. So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2 1. Next 2 plus 4 6 divided by 2 3, and next 10, this is 5, this is 7, next 9, next 11, and next 30. Okay, and next find fi into xi. Fi into xi. So fi into xi is 1 into 1, 3 2 is 6, and 5 1 is 5, 7 5 is 35, and 6 9 is 54, and 11 2 is 22, and this is 39. Okay, now adding fi into xi, so we get fi xi equal to 162. Okay, 162, and sum of the frequency means fi equal to 1 2 1 5 6 2 3 means 20. Okay, so this is 20. So from the table it is clear the sum of fi xi is given, is find the fi xi is 162 and sum of fi is 20. Okay, so by using formula to calculate mean of the given data, mean value means mean xi equal to sigma fi xi upon fi. Okay, so this is 162 upon 20 equal to 2.1. Okay, 8.1. So 8.1 is the mean, okay, of the given data. Okay, now move to the question number 2. Now move to the question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is, consider the following distribution of the daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Okay, the data is also given in this question, grouped form. Find the mean daily wages of worker of factory using appropriate method. Okay, so the data given, daily wages given, question number 2. Given daily daily wages in rupees. Okay, and number of workers given. Number of workers. Okay, so this is given 100 to 120, 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 120 to 140, next 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200, 180 to 200. And number of workers also given 12, 14, 12, 14. This is 12, 14, 12, 14, 8, 6, 10, 8, 6, 10. Okay. Find the mean. Okay. So in question number 2, in order to find the mean of the given data, here we will see, here we see the value of each fi and xi. Okay, is very large, so we will use step deviation. Okay, step deviation to find the mean. Okay, so let us see how we can find the mean of the given data by using step deviation. Okay, so first find the mid value of the given intervals, each interval. So mid value xi. So 100 plus 120, 220 means divided by 2, 110. Okay, this is 110, and next 130, 130. This is 150, and this is 70, and this is 190. Okay. Now find qi equal to xi minus a divided by h. Okay, where ui is deviation and a is assumed mean. So here assumed mean is a, means 150, and h is size of the class interval. The size of the class interval is 20. Each size of the class interval is 20. So subtract a means 150 from 110 and divided by 20. Okay, means xi minus 150 divided by 20. Xi minus 150 divided by 20. Okay, so here we get this is minus 2. Okay, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and next find fi ui. Fi ui. So this is minus 24, this is minus 14, 4, and this is 0, and this is 6, and this is 20. Okay. Now adding all the terms, so we get 14 minus 14, sorry, minus 12. This is minus 12, and sum of the frequency means we have I equal to sum of frequency of I equal to 12. Okay, not 12. 50 is equal to 50. Okay, so So the value of sigma fi equal to 50 sigma fi into ui equal to minus 12. A is assumed mean which is equal to 150 and h is the size of the class interval which is 20. Now mean calculated by direct method by using formula a plus h sigma fi ui divided by fi. So a is 150 plus h is 20 into this is minus 12 upon 50. Okay. So after simplification to get me 145 point 00 cancel out 145.20. Okay. This is required mean of the given question.